Hi guys, wanted to show you here once we're done with some content, looking at some of the layouts and different things, how to preview your website and then how to publish your website so it's viewable on the web. So once we're done, we've got content in, we're ready to go. We want to check and we want to preview what it's going to look like on the end user side. So if I visit your website, what it actually looks like on a device. So up here at the top, there's a little computer and a little cell phone icon, and you hover, it says preview. So if we click on that, it actually opens your website in like a true web browser for what it would look like without any editing tools on the side. So we can kind of scroll down and see what that looks like, how it would function. We can come through here, visit the different pages and see. Notice on the menu down here, we're on this little laptop which says large screen. We can also flip it over to tablet and you'll see kind of the tablet mode, what it looks like. And then a really cool one, we can flip it over to phone. And so one of the nice things about Google Sites is it actually automatically makes a mobile version of your website, which is really useful because obviously many of our consumers are mobile users. Our kids obviously have Chromebooks, but a lot of it will be done. So it actually converts it to mobile friendly. So you can flip between 3 different previews there, which is pretty cool. When you're done with the preview version, you can exit it down here in the bottom right. If you're happy with how it looks and you don't want to make any changes to sizes or text or anything like that, then we're ready to publish. So something to take note of, your website, as long as you build it, until you physically publish the website, it's not findable or viewable unless you've added people as collaborators, which we did in the last video. So you actually have to physically publish that website so it's findable. You can send the link, however you're going to distribute that content. So we'll come up here to publish. You'll see it's published here, okay? One of the things that you can do when you initially publish it is it'll check the permissions. Okay? You can also have this drop-down option here when the publish settings. So the first time you hit publish, it's going to ask you if you want to kind of rename the back end of it here. All of our sites are going to be this sites.google USD264 because we're under our school domain, but you can rename this back half here. So I just left mine titled as it is on my site, but you can make a custom title if you want. You can also click this box here so that search engines do not display your site. So that might be something if you don't want students, especially if you have younger kids, that you want to check so it's not searchable like in a Google search, especially if you've got any kind of, I'll say custody issues or mom and dad, whatever. I know it seems strange, but that might be an easy way to sort of prevent something like that from happening. Also in that publish menu, you can see here we can view the published site or we can unpublish the published changes that we just made. So again, that's preview, look at what your website looks like, as well as publish. So once your content's ready and we're ready to go live, quote unquote, on the web, preview and publish. Thanks.